Before using it, you should insert the battery and SD card correctly. Now, we will show you how to record. Firstly, you should open the lens cap. Open the screen and it will turn on automatically. Then you can see there are 4 modes. Press mode key and you can see there are 4 modes in it. Picture, record, playback, video. Then now we will show you how to record our video. Press the red button. Then the screen will show it is recording now. And you can also see there the blue busy light is flashing, and which shows you are recording now. Press the red button to stop it and finish recording. And now we will show you how to take photo. Choice mode. And see, there is a P in the screen. Then you can press the button on the bottom of the camcorder. Then finish taking photo. Now we will show you how to play back. Choice mode. This is record. This is the playback you just record, and choice the one by up and down key to watch what you want to see. This is the video. This is the picture. Then press mode to return.